Tak nampak pun?
Dah.
Okay. Assalamualaikum and very good morning to Sir Osman and fellow friends. Before we start the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rashidi Merusli and my matrix number is 201928.
My metric, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shakir bin Syam Shuaza. My metric number 204003.
My name is Muhammad Izzat bin Muhammad Ali and my metric number is 203341.
Okay, let's start our discussion. For your information, vegetable and fruits are a complement to our daily meal. Usually, vegetable and fruits are producing from agriculture activities and selling at the market and stores. Did you think why there are some different in price of vegetable and fruit in some store? Even they sell the same product. This is happen nowadays, right? This is happen because the production of vegetable is divided into two ways. First is organic farming and the second is conventional farming. So to know the difference of the both, we need to go know what is the organic farming and conventional farming. The organic farming is produce natural agriculture product without the use of synthetic chemical and modified organism. The main focus behind the system is producing safe and healthy for food consumption while reducing agriculture based on environmental pollution to zero. Conventional agriculture is agriculture aimed to at maximizing the maximum productivity possible with the use of modern technology without much regard for food security and environmental pollution. The use of synthetic chemicals, genetically modified organisms, and integrated pest management system is very common in conventional agriculture. Okay. From this information show that vegetable and fruits that produce from organic farming are healthier and actually are more expensive because there are many benefits of organic farming. So, related to our topic, today we want to present what is the benefit of organic farming. So, let's look into the first main point. The first main point is produce safe food. What is this? Production product from organic farming will guarantee the health of safety of the community. This is because nutrition containing chemicals which is pesticides greatly affect the health of the body. This chemical can cause a number of diseases such as cancer and depression. So, organic farming can guarantee food safety from any pesticide. The second main idea is biological control. What is biological control? Naturally, organic cultivation will produce food that are chemical free, which is it use animal to control pests from attacking crops. For example, with the protection of wolves, pests like mice can be reduced, so consumer health will be safer and reduce environmental pollution. So I go to Izzat to continue the second main point.
Okay, thank you to Rashidi. So I want to explain about the second point. So the second point is improve soil fertility. So organic farming use a systematic agricultural system and applies in a variety in agricultural methods. For example, crop method. Crop rotation is the process of planting more than one type of crop in the same area at different times. The first plant will affecting the second crop to soil more fertile. Thus, the soil fertility will not only be maintained, it will be more fertile than ever before. So the third point is compost from plant and animal. Organic crops will also help in the biological recycling of agricultural and animal waste. This is because this process involves the process of organisms that have no negative impact on plant and humans. For example, livestock cow and leftovers can be great compost to the crop and be benefit to farmers to reduce of cost to buying a fertilizer. Next, this composting does not contain any chemical elements, but it have many benefits to plant to grow well. Thus, this recycling will make the quality of the crop organic and will prevent a wastage. So, Shaki will explain about the fourth point.
All right. This is the last point of our group. So, lastly, the last point is control weeds and pests. Organic agriculture is also capable of controlling weeds and pests through biological, physical, and cultural methods. With this process, weeds and pests can be effectively controlled without negative effects on farmers and their users compared to the use of insecticides. As an example, plants such as long grass can be good crops to 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 protect another type of crops from a pest. Not give a negative effect to environment. So that's why organic plants can help to control weeds and insect through biological, physical, or cultural methods. So as lastly we conclude organic farming is an alternative used to replace conventional agriculture, which has huge impact on the environment, such as benefits. This organic farming also can be carried out through several methods that can be implemented to maintain soil fertility and at the same time produce high quality output and chemical fertilizers. So most people today have a high awareness that the importance of organic farming for their own health, and with that, organic crops also get a high demand in agriculture produce in country. But in order to increase the country's income, conventional agriculture also very important for our country to obtain the higher yields for business purposes such as imports and export activities. Each type of agriculture has a positive and negative effect to people and environment at the same time. That's why these two types of agriculture play an important role in developing countries to continue to produce high yields. With that, our country will able marketing agriculture products domestically and abroad. All right, that's all for our group. Thank you for listening. Udah.